Welcome to Students in my class. My name is Farah Hassan. Like my channel, subscribe my channel. Let's start today's class. Exercise number 8.3, question number 2. Kamla borrowed 26,400 rupees from a bank to buy a scooter at a rate of 15% per annum, compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan? So students, principal given, rate given and time given 2 years and 4 months. Kamla borrowed 26,400 rupees from a bank to buy a scooter. So what amount will she pay after at the end of 2 years and 4 months? And interest compounded yearly. Okay. So first we prepare the data and it is focused on the amount because amount will she pay. So first we prepare the data, principal, rate, time. Principal given 26,400 rupees, rate given 15% per annum per year, and time is given 2 years and 4 months, compounded yearly. The compounded yearly means one time interest calculate in a year, but in this question find out the amount. Okay, but interest calculate. So interest amount formula, you know that amount find out. Okay, what amount will she pay? So amount formula is principal bracket 1 plus a rate upon 100 n. This is the formula of amount. Amount equals to principal 26,400 1 plus rate 15% upon 100, time given 2 years and 4 months. So we cannot take time as 2 years and 4 months at a time. Okay, why? Because we can take 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, but we cannot take 1.1 year, 3 months, 1 year, 6 months, 2 years, 7 months. We cannot take. We can take 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. So 2 years given 4 months calculation after the 2 years. Okay, so first we calculate the amount for 2 years. 3 5 5 to the 15, 5 to the 10, 0. Okay, take the LCM of 1 and 20. So 20 is the LCM. 21 the 20, 1 multiplied by 3 is equals to 3 plus sign. 120 the 20, 21 the 20. 20 plus 3 is equal to 23 upon 20. And 2 means we write 2 times. 23 upon 2, 20 write 2 times because 2 right here. Okay. 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel. 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6, 2 2 the 4. 2 1 the 2, 2 6 the 12, 1 give here, 2 6 the 12. Okay. Now 66 multiplied by 23 multiplied by 23. Okay. So amount is multiply these numbers. 66 multiplied by 23 multiplied by 23 is equal to 34914. Okay, but students, this amount for 2 years, remaining 4 months interest calculate on this amount for 2 years. Okay, 2 years amount has been calculated. Okay, but remaining 4 months interest calculate on 4 months remaining. So for remaining 4 months interest calculated by simple interest formula, because this is the amount for 2 years. Okay, borrow 26,400 rupees, and after 2 years principal plus interest is 34,914 rupees. Yani after 2 years amount has been find out 34,914 rupees. So for remaining 4 months interest calculated by simple interest formula. Okay, so simple interest formula, write simple interest formula is principal into rate into time upon 100. Remaining 4 months interest calculated by this formula. And you know that 26,400 rupees principal, but we cannot take 26,400 rupees because we calculate 4 months remaining 4 months interest calculate on 34,914 rupees. We calculate remaining 4 months interest on this amount. So this amount taken as principal. This amount taken as principal because interest 4 months interest calculate on this amount. 34,914 taken as principal. Rate 15% and month 4 months. 4 months interest calculate, so time is 4 months. 4 months out of 12 months. Time is 4 months out of 12 months. And 100 given in the formula. 4 months out of 12 months. 4 1 the 4, 4 3 the 12, 3 1 the 3, 3 5 the 15. So 34,914 multiplied by 5 upon 100. 34,914 multiplied by 5 is equals to 174,570 upon 100. So divided by 100, 174,570 divided by 100. 100 1 the 100, 7 4 5, 7 the 700, 4 5 7 write down, 4 the 400, 5 7 0 write down, 5 the 500, 7 0 point after 0, we can take 0 after decimal, 107 the 700. So simple interest is 174.5.70. This is simple interest. But students, total amount calculate, how to calculate total amount, because this is the amount for 2 years and we need amount for 2 years and 4 months. 2 years and 4 months amount need, and this is the amount for 2 years. So this amount and this interest, 4 months interest and 2 years amount and 4 months interest, add them and find out the total amount. Total amount is equal to amount of 2 years 34,914 plus 4 months interest. Add them, three four nine one four 17 point after 0, so point after 20. We can take point after 20. 5 4 7 1 plus, because we find out the total amount of 2 years and 4 months interest, add them, 07.95, 9 plus 7 16, 4 plus 1 plus 1 6 3. The total amount has been found out 36,659 point something. This is the total amount. So Kamala, after at the end of 2 years and 4 months, paid to bank Kamala paid 336,359.70 rupees paid to bank to clear the loan. After 2 years and 4 months. Okay friends, take care. Bye.